today I'm replacing some cushions on a few stools for my client. And this is what we had. It's really thin. She could feel the wood beneath this cushion. So I'm gonna use this foam, but it's a big piece of foam. And it's a bit tricky to cut this because if you've ever tried to cut foam, it's really difficult with a knife. It's just really a mess. So I'm gonna show you how to cut this. First of all, I'm gonna start with creating my seat cushion. Let's see. And let's start over here. Draw a circle around this. There's other ways to make a circle, but we're gonna do it this way. Let me show you. And there we have a circle. Now we have to cut this foam. Like I said earlier, a knife is not gonna cut the foam. If you've tried before, it's just really difficult. So what I'm gonna use is an electric knife. This one's serrated. It cuts meat, it cuts bread, and now it cuts foam. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is make sure you don't cut the cord, cut your fingers. Just want to cut the foam only. All right, so let's get started. You've noticed I've already drawn my circles because I'm covering the seat of a stool. You want to keep the knife nice and vertical, straight up and down. Otherwise, if you slant it either direction, you're going to get an odd shaped circle or square, whatever you're doing. Just like I said, keep an eye on this cord. Let's bring this up here for you to see. There's what we have so far. Let's go. Now all we need to do is trim this up a little bit. There you go. That's how you cut foam.